Okay, guys. So I would like to hear what the voices are. Horrid Henry. What's Stuck Up Steve sounds like. So let's give it a try.
You're not a guest in my house. You will behave yourself. I won't put up with any mischief. Ow! Get it off! Get it off! I don't know how that got in there. Sorry, Aunt Ruby. Show him to his room.
Right,
I put all my toys in my room, and you're not allowed to touch them.
sound like, okay? So you must listen, okay?
No, it's only Rosa.
See? You see? He sounds like Stuck Up Steve. The twins. Oh my god. That is scary.
Hey, what's that?
Must be a shooting star.
No, it wasn't, Sam. It was an alien spacecraft from the planet Venus.
He does sound like Stuck Up Steve. I couldn't tell you guys, it's so not expired. It is so identical. Very identical. Very, very, very identical. They are so twins.